Hi, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Today we're having a look at the HTC One M9. Massive thank you to Vodafone, and this is HTC's latest flagship device. So today I'm going to have a look at sound and vision. So great thing about this device is the front-facing speakers here. They're Boom Sound it's called, and it is really great. I did love this one on the previous HTC One M8. So jumping into Google Play. Pulled up now 91. I can't believe how much these have changed. So we're going to listen to Cheerleader here. So with them front-facing speakers there, you do get a better audio, and this does offer Dolby Digital surround sound as well with this device. So let's turn it back up. And let's go to another song. And we'll listen to one more. Let's go back to the main home screen here. So I'm going to jump into movies, and we're going to have a look at a movie on this display. It's a really great display, 1080p HD display, and it's a 5-inch display as well. So the Insurgent is on here now, which is a great film. It's from the Diversion series. Yeah, the Diversion series, and this is called Insurgent. This is their latest film, so make sure you go and watch this if you can.
The future our people deserve.
What does Janine think is in that box, Caleb?
I don't know, but she's testing divergence. Searching for the one who can open it.
Find them. Every last one of them.
Janine's never gonna stop coming after us. It's time we fight back.
We don't have the numbers.
We will. This is factionless? This is insane.
Janine claims you're all dangerous insurgents. If we were to combine forces, we'd be unstoppable. I can't let anyone else die because of me. Just help me!
It's really good to see you again. What does she want with her? It's the perfect subject.
You need to be strong. You're brave. She's the one.
This is the only chance we have to rescue a little civilization we have left.
Dark times call for extreme measures. Let's begin.
I'm not gonna fight you.
Of course you're not. You're gonna fight you.
So that was Insurgent there from the Diversion series. It's well worth a watch. So you can either purchase it here on Google Play, purchase it on iTunes, or through Microsoft Videos as well. So going back there, so that was sound and vision on the HTC One M9 from Vodafone. A massive thank you to them. So with this boom sound, it does make it one of the best sounding phones on the market, I do personally think. Instead of having the speakers down here either facing this way or facing this way, or of course beating them ones that have the speakers on the back, where when the phone's laid down, it's just not listenable. So with this as well, you've got 3.5 jack as well, and it does sound really good through headphones. But personally, I do like the experience of holding the device. Make sure when you do hold it though, you don't hold it like this, as you are going to cover up the speakers. So hold it like this, and it does sound really fantastic. So thanks always for watching. Comment, rate and subscribe, and give big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.